everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we have a fabulous dump and go slow cooker recipe. This is one of my family's favorites. We often switch this up with pork chops or pork loin and chicken. Today we're going to be using chicken breasts, golden mushroom soup, carrots, mushrooms, and we're going to cook it all day, serve it up on some egg noodles, and boom, dinner's ready. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to make a dump and go slow cooker recipe. I know you guys love a slow cooker recipe, and we're going to get basic and we're going to make some golden mushroom chicken. We're going to use 2 pounds of chicken breasts, boneless, skinless. I just threw them in the bottom. We're going to add to this 2 8-ounce packages of sliced mushrooms. These are creminis, but you can use white button if that's what you prefer. And we're also going to throw in a 1 pound package of baby cut carrots. Now, this is a place where you can adapt what you prefer. If you don't like mushrooms, then maybe this isn't the recipe for you. You all know, if you've been with me any amount of time, we love mushrooms in our house. We put them in a lot of things, like for dinner. And the sauce is going to be comprised of 2 cans of good old-fashioned, your mama probably had it on her pantry shelf, Campbell's Golden Mushroom Condensed Soup. Now, this is one of those places. Now, you all know I don't use canned soups very often, but I do have it in my pantry, and I do use it from time to time. There are just some recipes that are never the same unless you use the canned soup version. So, because my grocery store didn't have 3 cans, I'm gonna go ahead and add some chicken stock in here, and we're just going to, because this soup is condensed, and in a lot of cases I will not add any extra liquid to this soup, but because we're putting it in the slow cooker and because my meat is not frozen, it's not really gonna produce a lot of extra liquid. So what you want to do is put your 2 cans of soup in your measuring cup and then add enough liquid to measure approximately 4 cups. This is going to give you enough sauce to cook everything beautifully, as well as give you a nice amount of gravy for when you serve this up. And we're going to serve this tonight with some egg noodles. This is how we like it. You can serve it with egg noodles, rice, mashed potatoes, whatever is your favorite kind of accompaniment to go with something like this. And it's as simple as just pop it in there, and don't worry about everything else, because once this starts cooking, it's all going to be fine. The carrots are going to get steamed, so you don't have to worry about the carrots if they're not covered in liquid or your sauce, because they're still going to cook. This, you know, your crock pot's going to provide you with a nice warm environment, and it's going to make the vegetables tender crisp at the end of the cooking time. They're not going to be mushy. I know that's hard to believe, but it's true. Your chicken and your mushrooms, they're all going to cook down. The chicken's going to get shreddable, and it's going to be perfect. And if all goes well, it's going to be beautiful, bubbly, saucy, and ready to just drape over whatever side you have chosen to make. Because basically, all you have to do is make your starch, and the rest is good to go. You don't have to make anything else with this if you don't want to. So when this is ready to serve, we'll bring you back and we'll show you what it looks like. While we wait, I want to take a moment to say thank you for watching and being a part of our community. And please consider hitting that thumbs up button if you like what you see. And if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. Oh, there you have it. Our golden mushroom chicken is ready to serve. I made up some egg noodles and I just buttered them. A couple of things. This actually cooked on high for 5 hours, and then I turned it down to low and I let it cook for another hour or so. And this never gets as thick as I like it when I make it in the slow cooker or in the pressure cooker. So I took 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water, and I whisked them together, and then I poured them into the slow cooker, and then I just allowed it to come back up to temperature until it bubbled, which just took a little while because my slow cooker is like nuclear hot. And it came up to a nice thickness. It gave a nice velvety gravy, and it's perfect, and we're ready to eat. So I hope that you enjoy learning these dump and go, that people are calling them slow cooker recipes. I'm going to be incorporating them at least once a week, and if there's something that you'd like to see me do, please leave it in the comments down below. I'm open to any and all suggestions. So I hope you give this golden mushroom chicken a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.